everything's challenging during a pandemic. Taking a bus, going to work, doing your groceries, these are all challenging, but elections are unique. And, elections are a very special case that require 100% accessibility. Elections involve different facility types across the board. If you take a particular county, counties often have up to 1,000 or more different voting locations, and each one of those are different dynamics and variables and challenges. Most jurisdictions that run elections are not prepared or equipped to handle the complexities of a pandemic or are completely unfamiliar with what is involved. The guidelines and the information changes on a continuous basis as information and new science comes out for the pandemic. So what's important, I believe, in elections is that we need to really make sure that our programs, our plans, and processes are in place and that we're able to communicate these effectively, primarily to instill confidence to the voters, the volunteers, and the employees, and everybody involved in the election process.